Welcome back, game developers. Today we're going to make a cool title screen for your game using Adobe Photoshop. So once you've loaded in, you're going to create a new image with the width of 1080 pixels wide and 720 pixels tall. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to unlock our background just by clicking the lock. Next, we're going to hit the text tool. We're going to click our screen and type the name of your game. My game is called Lost in Candy World. Maybe Lost in Candy Kingdom. Okay, next thing we're going to do is just change the color and font. You can change the font up here. I like my font. I'm going to change the color to like a nice white. There we go. Okay. Next, you're going to right-click the layer, and you're going to rasterize it. Next, over here on the left, we're going to find this magic wand tool. If it's not there, you just right-click the square here and hit magic wand tool. Okay, we're going to click the background, and then we're going to right-click and do select inverse. This will highlight only our letters. If you hold Alt, you can subtract the middles. Okay, now we got our letters selected. We can give them a nice background using the gradient tool here. And up here you can change some of the settings. Down here you can change the colors. I like pink and white. And I'm just going to draw a line. And you can see that it changes, gives our text a nice faded look. Okay, finally I'm going to right click my layer, hit blending options, and we're going to come down to stroke, and you can change the color here, you can change the size right here, but you can just go ahead and stroke the outside of it. Okay. Finally, we'll click the eyeball here to mute our background layer, and we will export this as a transparent PNG. So export, click export as PNG, and there you have it. Cool logo that you can import into your game.